Okay, so in an earlier video, I explained how you could manually copy this data from a table and bring it into Google Sheets. But let's say we wanted to do it in a smarter way. So let's copy this link right here and choose a cell. We'll use B2 and let's start a formula equals import HTML, quotation marks, paste your link, quotation marks, comma, we want to do table, quotation marks, table, quotation marks, comma, number 1. And in the parentheses bracket, and hit enter. And that will bring up the first table. And you can, if you want to do the second table, you can do 2 or 3 or 4 if there's more tables. And that's how you import a table using import HTML in Google Sheets.